So you might be in a situation where for some reason your remote, your Fire TV remote that you're using is flashing yellow. Now, if it's flashing yellow in any capacity, that usually means that your remote is probably not connecting or having trouble connecting to your Fire device. So the first thing you're going to understand is that if you're going to go through and use your particular remote, you might want to make sure that the batteries are fully charged or that you have them fully connected and fully replaced. So slide off the back panel, and this back side right here where you have the batteries, all you're going to want to do is make sure that the batteries are fully intact, and you might want to make sure they're fully in here and that they're like charged up and they're not fully dead. This is kind of the main way to go and fix this problem. So try going through, try seeing if that ends up fixing it, and that might end up doing it for you. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you can try doing as well is to try to go through and repair the remote. So what you can do here is you can go through and you can click the home button here or the power on button if you want to for about 20 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds. And you want to see after 10 to 20 seconds, after it's fully repaired, you want to see if that ends up kind of fixing the problem. For a lot of people, things like this can end up fixing the problem for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So I'd recommend kind of going through here and doing that. You can also try restarting the Fire TV. So go ahead and unplug the TV from your particular account, and you want to go ahead and plug it back in, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you, which for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you as well. So those are just a couple of different ways to go and kind of going back fixing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.